Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and what a month it has been. Am I right? I know it's been crazy, but so awesome. And I have a feeling there is a possibility you might have missed one of our release days. We release products quite a bit throughout the month on the 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th. We also have our club days on the 1st, the 15th, and the 24th of the month. And I'm a little worried that you might have missed out on one or two items. So I wanted to do a little overview just to make sure if you missed one of these items, you can go buy them now or add them to your wish list so you can get them next time, because they are going to knock your socks off. The worst part though, and this is sad, I'm going to be really, really sad because you can't get this one. This one is done. This one is gone. This was our Fold It Club, the cute little doggy with the little cake. He's so proud of himself he made that cake. But our Fold It Club is exclusive to the Fold It Club members. So if you didn't get in on this one, I'm sorry, I'm sad, you cannot get it. So you need to join our Fold It Club ASAP so you do not miss out on future designs because they're exclusive to the club. Now, we start, oh, there's another cute doggy one. Ready? Are you ready? Oh, you can't get it. So I hope you got it. Join now so you don't miss out on future ones. Look at this. We started out the month with, so cute, right? Our Cupcake Delight stamp and die sets. Now our Stampin' Club members got a set of stamps and dies, but we had add-on sets as well. So some of these designs that I show you are gonna be from the add-on set. Oh, and here, let's see. We have our, okay, you know what? The candle background was to die for. So popular because it can be a card base or a card background or a shaker card. You know I love my shaker cards. So fun. Here, oh, here's another one just as a background. I had so many of those samples to show you just because I was going crazy. We also released the cake stand or the cupcake stand. Here's another example of it using flowers. Here it is with chocolate strawberries. So yummy. Here's some more cupcakes. Absolutely love them. I almost want to like display them everywhere because they're so fun. Then we released the mini slimline double background. Yes, it coordinates with our other mini slimline double background. So yes, you can mix and match. So fun. Here we go. Oh, that grand nesting die set. Absolutely love them. I love this one because it looks like a chalkboard with white writing on it, doesn't it? So much fun. Ooh, we also released another crisscross. This is our oval triple flower. Normally comes in here, but you can put anything you want on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. We also released A2 craft envelopes. I know it looks boring to hear, but sometimes you want a craft colored envelope. Now you can get them on our website. We also released, oh, am I right? Am I right? The 5x7 scalloped nested die shapes. The best part about this, my friends, is now those of you that do not have the wider machines that are 8.5 or 9 inches wide, a 6-inch machine, you can now make 5x7 card bases. Woo! Yay! Finally, finally. We also released our Oh Baby. Oh, baby blocks. Aren't they adorable? Oh, here's another one using our slimline box die set. Look at that. Oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? Imagine giving this to someone that just found out they're going to have a baby, or they just had their baby, or maybe it's their first birthday party. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I love it. Let's see. Ooh, table cards. Table cards. So last Thanksgiving, we host Thanksgiving every year. I needed a table card for each of our guests. And I designed this die set, and it's been a long time since I finally get to share it with you, but it has a lot of awesome things with it. It has the balloon, it has the flower, it has the bells, it has the pumpkin, it has the leaf that you can mix and match. It has 2 different layering dies. So much fun. It even comes with that gold frame, not gold, but a die that makes that frame. Isn't it beautiful? I know, it's so much fun. Now, let's see what else we have here. Ooh, we have the congrats side panels, perfect for the gatefold card or as a card front, which is fun. Oh, make today epic. Come on, make it epic. I'm telling you. And our grand nesting dies, which are so fun because yes, they can make cards as well. We also released or re-released my A2 Fold It flower card with the stem. So much fun. And by popular request, I got it on the schedule as soon as I could. I took this on HSN about 6 or 7 years ago. Now it is available on our website. Steffi doll with the stamps and the dies that match. Woo! Woo! I know, crazy. Oh! And my friends, are you ready for this? We also released a new Kit Club box. Let me tell you guys, I got to design this and I had so much fun. Way more awesome than our old boxes, am I right? Look how beautiful they are. Happy Mail from the Stamps of Life. This is the front. Look at how gorgeous that is. Happy Mail is here. Stampsoflife.com. Open it up. Hello, my friend. Hug Stephanie. And it comes with a ton of goodies. If you're not in the Kit Club, you got to join now because you don't want to miss out on this box of awesomeness. I'm so proud of the box too, by the way. I'm just so happy about it. My friends, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and check it out. Make sure you are subscribing also to our newsletter so you get an email notification every time we release new items. Also, think about joining our texting list because you want to get a text when these items go on flash sale so you get them ASAP. Lastly, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button because then you'll be notified when we go live each and every week. 3 times a week now we go live. Are you missing those? And whenever we release new videos. So make sure you click subscribe on the YouTube channel and click that little bell because it'll give you a notification. Thanks so much. Thank you for your support. When you purchase from us, you are actually purchasing from a small company. We have 3.5 employees and we're just this little family owned and operated company. And from my family to yours, we just want to say thank you for your support. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.